Hi, I am Buddy. Let's talk about what is a brand today. Brand is always based on quality. Brand is to select quality executives. Therefore, solving customers' problems and needs is our service purpose of Musttby. The most painful point of iPad repair now is that the electronic pen cannot be used after repair. As a result, it is impossible to draw using graffiti. Can't control screen. So after a year, we finally developed a touch screen that can use electronic pens. And every model has this function. The most basic quality requirements.